everyone! Welcome back to the channel. We're so excited to have you here with us today. Today, we're diving into the homes of our amazing editors, giving you an exclusive peek into their personal spaces. We'll be uncovering 33 of their favorite Amazon products that they simply can't live without. From innovative kitchen gadgets that make cooking a breeze to the latest smart home tech that simplifies daily routines, these are the products that have truly impressed our team. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started on this exciting journey. First up, Michelle Ray Yui's pick, the Midea Dual Basket Air Fryer. This innovative kitchen gadget is a game changer for anyone who loves cooking but hates the hassle of juggling multiple dishes. Michelle raves about its space-saving design. 2 baskets mean you can cook 2 different things at once without any flavor transfer. Imagine preparing crispy chicken wings in one basket while roasting vegetables in the other, all at the same time. Perfect for weeknight meals when you need efficiency without sacrificing taste. The Midea Dual Basket Air Fryer ensures that your meals are cooked to perfection, making it easier to serve delicious, healthy food to your family. Whether you're a busy parent or a culinary enthusiast, this air fryer is designed to make your life simpler and your meals tastier. Next, Amina Lake Abdelrahman shows off her organizational prowess with the StoveShelf magnetic shelf. This sleek shelf attaches magnetically to the top of your stove, instantly doubling your storage space and keeping your kitchen looking clean and uncluttered. For coffee aficionados, Carolina Gazal swears by the OXO Rapid Brewer for her daily caffeine fix. It makes a mean cup of concentrated coffee and is built to last. Rachel Quigley's recommendation, the Astercook 15-piece knife set with sharpener block. These knives are super sharp, rust-resistant, and come with a built-in sharpener. Amina Lake Abdelrahman is back with the Ninja Creami Deluxe 11-in-1 ice cream and frozen treat maker. It churns out incredibly smooth and creamy frozen desserts. With 11 different functions, you can let your culinary creativity run wild. Michelle Ray Yui recommends the Terra Kaffe Super Automatic Espresso Machine. It delivers barista-quality espresso with the touch of a button. From lattes to cappuccinos, this machine can handle it all. Amina Lake Abdelrahman's love for the OXO Good Grips 3-piece angled measuring cup set. The angled design makes it easy to read measurements from above, eliminating guesswork. Joe Bloss upgrades your drinking experience with the Draft Top Lift Can Opener. This tool removes the entire top of your can, turning it into a drinking vessel fit for a king. For Joe Bloss, the perfect cup of coffee starts with freshly ground beans using the OXO Conical Burr coffee grinder. It consistently delivers uniform grounds for optimal flavor extraction. Stephanie Luna shows us how to maximize space with her 3 iMothrix folding dining table. It transforms from a compact console table to a spacious dining table for 6. Tamara Krause's bedroom is a haven of style and comfort with the Nathan James Mina Rattan wood end nightstand. Its natural rattan doors add a touch of texture and warmth to her space. Amina Lake Abdelrahman is back with the Bidiso Lift Top coffee table. The lift top design creates the perfect height for dining, while the hidden storage compartment keeps clutter at bay. Chelsea Stone's kitchen is a masterclass in organization with the YAMAZAKI Tower Rolling Storage Cart. This cart provides additional storage space wherever you need it most. It rolls away easily when not in use, maximizing precious floor space. Stephanie Luna's kitchen counter is the heart of her home with the Vogue Furniture Direct PU leather bar stools. These stools are stylish, comfortable, and easy to clean. Amina Lake Abdelrahman's entryway is stylish and functional with the Nathan James Theo 5-shelf wood modern bookcase. It provides ample storage space for books, plants, and decorative accents. Chelsea Stone's Utopia home folding step stool is essential for reaching high shelves. Its foldable design makes it easy to store away when not in use. Stephanie Luna's living room is all about comfort and style with the fancy Homi decorative throw pillow covers. These pillow covers are soft and easy to clean. Chelsea Stone's green thumb thrives with the Divine Dev self-watering pot. It ensures plants always have the perfect amount of moisture. Stephanie Luna's kitchen island glows with the Liangmh H crystal pendant light fixture. It adds a touch of sophistication and glamour to her kitchen. Tamara Krause's sense of humor shines with the Furbish Mom, I Am a Rich Man handmade needlepoint decorative throw pillow. This pillow adds personality and sparks conversation in her living room. Michelle Ray Yui relies on the Dreo HM524S 6-liter smart humidifier to keep things comfortable. Its smart features, including Alexa compatibility, make it easy to control. Michelle Ray Yui loves gathering around her housewife's tabletop fire pit on cool evenings. It's portable and creates the perfect ambiance for outdoor gatherings. Sophie Shaw combats dry skin and congestion with the Canopy bedside humidifier. Its sleek design and quiet operation make it the perfect bedside companion. Michelle Ray Yui keeps her home spotless with the Dyson V8 cordless vacuum cleaner. Its powerful suction and cordless design make cleaning a breeze. Chelsea Stone tames her tangled cords with the M-Design cable management box. It keeps cords organized and out of sight, creating a clean look. Chelsea Stone relies on Gorilla Tough and clear double-sided adhesive mounting tape to hang items without damaging her walls. It's strong and renter-friendly, holding items securely in place. Chelsea Stone keeps her craft supplies organized with the Bilax 13-inch craft organizers and storage box. Its adjustable compartments and clear lid make it a crafter's dream. Chelsea Stone keeps her fragile items safe with Quakehold Ready America Clear Museum Gel. It prevents items from toppling over even during tremors. Joe Bloss turns any device into a smart device with TP-Link Tapo smart plugs. He can control his devices with his voice or through an app, making life easier. Sophie Shaw sets the mood with TP-Link Casa multicolor smart light bulbs. She can control them with her voice or through an app, adjusting the lighting to suit her mood. Joe Bloss is a fan of the Echo Dot 5th Gen, calling it the little smart speaker that could. He uses it for everything from setting alarms to controlling his lights and thermostat. Michelle Ray Yui swears by the iRobot Roomba 694 robot vacuum. It navigates her home intelligently, picking up dirt and pet hair with ease. Tamara Krause prioritizes a good night's sleep with the Casper Sleep Original Pillow. Its adjustable height and supportive design ensure ultimate comfort. And there you have it, folks! 33 of our editors' all-time favorite home products from Amazon. From kitchen gadgets that make cooking a breeze to cozy blankets that make your living room the ultimate relaxation spot, we've covered it all. Whether you're looking to upgrade your home or find the perfect gift, these products are sure to impress. Let us know in the comments which ones you're adding to your cart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Happy shopping!